summer start well hot, you know. Gyalis Jay, Dr. So in the building. Yo! We're chilling with the youngins today.
My girl, you could ride. My girl, I'll fuck all night.
My girls in the chat, when ready go.
Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Use my cocky like chair right there. Sit down, sit down.
I used to want to sit down to her, she a go me down.
Pop that in a hole, I strike you like much bass.
And that song I wrote this summer, I'm not care when nobody says.
Steam. Yo! My girl, you pussy tight. My girl, you could ride. My girl, love fuck all night. My girl, love climb on top and sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Use my cocky like chair right there. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Turn up this steam, we now go turn it down. Pop that in a hole, I strike you like much bass. Send a contact. Last night cloud like
the link is in the bio, like I said. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. We outside.
Steamy, you are fuck me fixy like Felix. Get a body right there fit for climb trailing. If you're not keep with a secret, your friend might feel. See, I frame me a deal. I see a deal with the G like sweet. I mean, I deal with the fucking up in the street.
Pussy, 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 pussy. I'm girl then. Hey, girl then. One thing more than can understand.
Walk around that girl is love. Let me tell you.
Good face, shape, clothes, girl, nice. Coming out cup and she drink it mixed with liquor and ice. You ready for getting sitting? Fat pussy in front of me, she give me with a one in a tear pussy jump out. Boy, you're independent, me say that come for this money, no shot. You know how you start, girl. You set me good on you sexy, madam on a girl in a bed and you want top free. Blow me like fan, wet like a hydrant. I mean, and if you for pump up and I want put up on all phones. I beg her she want more fish, show me drill. You pump you like chore. But it come for me, knock it pussy clean and pure. Me sink it in on your dick. One thing more than them can understand. When you're good, you're good. The pussy top tier, she don't want power.
Ready. What me say?
Pussy girl forget things.
Oh God.
Buy a girl a house and buy a girl a car. Spend money to a summer do me thing.
Hey girl, just
pussy girl forget things. Yeah man, pussy girl forget things. Buy a right.
What's them fire upon the bread?
The ring of summer do me thing. Yeah, girl got no tape back. All on me, never me last some setback. Some real bad girl got my head back. So when I see the that road when I take shot, then I see the guy take newspaper extra. Ever have it anywhere, me come in the left back. Girl want money and that me make fat, but roll it up now.
When we talk to the girl, them
pussy girl forget things, yeah. Pussy girl forget things, yeah. Buy a girl a house and buy a girl car. Spend money to a summer do me thing. For real, pussy girl forget things, yeah man. Pussy girl forget things. And a big mansion.
Alright, we'll go answer real quick for the girl.
She a study. Not study nothing but
ladies and night chat, we don't have it good. We don't have it good. We don't have it.
Good pussy girl says she study.
We don't have it.
Not study nothing but we get me bring that. You me have to laugh, me have to laugh, me have to laugh. Got through the pussy good and body job bad. Hey, go. Miss your pussy go. Come in your throat. Bang, bam, bing, bam, king to me. Of what? La dung in your. Watch it, you. Where you get that? Bang, bing, so that. Jump on the knee. Bang, bing, bam, bing, bam, bing, bam, bing, bam, bing, bam, bing. Me say dung in your throat. Nice, me come in your throat. Walking, dung in your throat. King to me of what? La dung in your neck. See that tongue dick, where you get that? Whoa, buckler! Drop on the knee, no mechanics. Me love how the girl them a free. Watch a girl, I don't know. Hey. No, she do it 7 days of the week. She tell me say not even Swiss, not so Swiss, but me love how you set in your what? Your breast them stiff. Hey.
Alright, we're ready I know for the show time. I show time.
Dung in your. TikTok, that be nice, let me come in. I got on a pin, right in your foot, girl. TikTok.
What's the word you know?
You see that tongue, where you get that? You see the two bars, if you suck. Drop and don't make a mix.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yes, so we reach.
Rochester link up. Livevybz.
Oh, yes, so we reach.
Gyalis money mine. Yo.
Okay, let's go.
From here to upstairs, the signal is strong. Log on the stream, everybody turning long. Big laugh, big jump. Every little song in my ear, look me call them foreign and
What with that? If you don't know over here, just know say the link in the bio. If you don't want to know what this song I talk about, just follow the link, follow the link.
Breeze calm, Gyalis Pandit. Live, turn it up loud, make the whole block rise. Just to jam down with the on one side. Press play, sit tight, take the culture right. Live, really hard talk, you can sit in our eyes. From 585, go straight to seaside. At the podcast where the whole world lies. Weekend come, everybody know the code. Screenshot the link, share it down the road. Big up every crew. In a chill mode, chat sweet like mango, vibes overload. He marks wagwan and the colors rolling. Story them spicy, pure belly busting. But him still show love, not tear down king. Gyalis keep it clean while the rhythm still swing. Gyalis Pandit, live vibe. Turn it up loud, make the whole block rise. Rochester to jump down with the on one side. Press play, sit tight, take the culture right. Live vibe, really hard talk, you can sit in our eyes. From 585, go straight to seaside. At the podcast where the whole world lies. Anywhere we there, the link still sure. Yardman accent, kick down every door. Big up the queens and the real hardcore. If you love the vibe, show it one time more. One more. Live vibe. Turn it up loud, make the whole block rise. Rochester to jump down with them on one side. Press play, sit tight, take the culture.
Member.
Live vibe. Really hard talk, you can sit in our eyes. From 585, go straight to seaside. At the podcast where the whole world lies. Yeah, man. Live vibe steady, we not cool. Rochester, Jamaica, one rule. Anywhere you're there, just remember this. Host with the fire, them call him Gyalis. Pronounce live.
Everybody, thank you for tuning in this Friday. This is another episode of Vybes Friday. Oh, turn off that one, yeah? Alright, let's turn off that one. I like used. They sound like me on stage, dog, I swear. Right?
Let it go.
Let it go. Alright, I'm done. But people, this has been another episode of Vybes Friday. Each and every Friday, this is your boy Gyalis Jay.
Got the sour.
And we have the YNs back in the building with us today. So we are going to
These
put
the good YNs though.
the GYNs. We're not the man in top of here, so just so you know. So the GYNs in the building. We have some couple topics so we're going to shoot. But since the GYNs are in the building, we're about to switch it up a little bit. Because one of our boys graduated today. And I feel like that's something to celebrate and talk about.
Congratulations.
Yeah, so we're just going to start it off with that and just kick it into it.
Yeah.
Since the GYNs can't drink,
Yeah, we gotta do double drinks.
we got to put the cups up for them. So this is another Friday Live, so we thank God that we are here. And congrats for your graduation, my G.
Congratulations, man.
Big move that in a foreign. So good luck with that. And make sure you use it and you see.
True.
So now, moving forward, sponsors.
Any birthdays?
Birthday this month? Birthday. How do Jeopardy song go again? I don't remember who born in a June. Oh! My little sister's birthday was last weekend, so shout out to her. Shout out to her. She just turned her big 17. Yeah. I don't want to get too much into that because I'm going to get emotional, but yeah.
You about to start crying
Yeah,
and shit.
shout out to her.
Right,
They just moving too fast, man. They just moving too fast. Who else celebrating?
Grow up? That's crazy.
Who
Y'all got
else?
nobody celebrating birthday anything this week, this month, nothing?
Well, this month, yeah.
June?
June the 3rd.
Who?
June 3rd?
Who? Oh!
Oh, I Happy belated, man.
Appreciate
Yeah,
it.
yeah, I forgot you was born too. I thought they found you somewhere, but yeah, shout out to my brother's birthday and shit. Yeah, man, pan. So like with the people with there, it's just an easy vibes today. So let's shout out our sponsors real quick. Couple of sponsors. DNK Catering, shout out to y'all.
One Love Window Cleaning.
Shout out to them, and definitely shout out to All In Podcast Network.
Always, always.
And definitely again shout out to them.
So we do this every week, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it because you're gonna have to memorize it.
Well, man, the Livevybz family, man. Always, man. The Livevybz family,
Yeah.
man.
But we have a new sponsor.
Oh shit, word.
If you know, we have a new
I
sponsor.
didn't know.
We bought
I'll
the.
be checking my emails.
Yeah, that's the thing with y'all do on the team. Y'all don't follow up with messages. But the new sponsor for us starting next week. I shouldn't announce it yet, but I'm always excited when people want to work with us. Chuck Star Production.
Okay, all right. I like that. All right.
Shouts out
Shouts
to Chuck Star Production. Like we said, we about to collab with them and we about to start doing some major work. And definitely give a big shout out to Will from Sidebar. Last week was the 10-year anniversary for Sidebar.
Oh, yeah, it look nice. You went?
Boy, and you know Will good for them free shots.
Yeah, I know they was. I heard they was passing them around out there.
Oh yeah, man. Shouts out to you again, Will. That shit,
Shouts
they
out
were.
to Ari, man.
Yeah,
Ari
yeah.
party last week.
Oh yeah, thank you for reminding me because we was
party, man.
backtracking, nigga.
So listen.
Let's get
So
into it.
first off, I want to say this, right? We just the governor approved because of the World Cup and everything. They're letting all the clubs and bars stay up until like 4:30 now.
Oh, that's what's going on.
Yeah. So
In the whole entire country.
no, and the governor, the state, the state. I mean, you gotta think it's other states where it is open later, anyways, too. It's other places where it is. I mean, Buffalo is open till 4.
But that's not because of World Cup. Yeah.
Yeah, so now they letting everybody do it. So like most of the clubs do it. It's at your own discretion though.
Okay.
And they can still sell alcohol too, which is crazy.
Oh, I wasn't aware of because of that. Me just think so.
So we was at
Cute.
Sky Lounge on Saturday, and we didn't leave there till like 4:30, bro.
Facts. I one thing I can say about Fire Kid and Harry them party. Them two, straight bitches.
Yeah.
Oh, like.
Yeah. I mean, that's what the cute party is about though
Yeah.
too. Like it's all it's supposed to be like 99% girl tunes.
Yeah, and they definitely delivered.
They definitely deliver, man. Shouts out to the DJs.
Yeah, man. Harry them came out of real retirement because me that dance that night there, you know, so me no dance in a
that caught me up there, man. You was definitely out there dancing, yo. You was doing your thing though, man.
But yeah, man, shout out to the whole team where play. That team, man, turn on your phone. So shout out to the whole team where did out and make that event possible. Shout out to Mr. Boss and again shout out to Will, shout out to Firegate, shout out to DJ Rum Boss International. Big shout out to my boys.
Who else was on that bill, man?
I don't remember the DJ for out at home, but him going with himself too. But talk more Rum Boss International, nigga, I went with them to Lockport a couple weeks ago.
I saw him in the Lockport or something.
Brother, when I tell you them niggas had the place in a chokehold,
Word.
I don't know where the dog them I work with now, but the dog them, it's different. It's very different. You can hear the difference how them play now. So shout out to Rum Boss. Nate? Rum Boss? Yeah.
Development, progression,
I tell you,
that's
man.
always a good thing, man.
And it's crazy that it's happening so smooth for them that they not even aware. It's just like another day for them. So that's dope.
Young and getting them, man.
So, and what else me I forget to check in with this week? Yeah, we did the sponsors, we did the shout outs, we did just birthdays and any upcoming events. A lot going on. I don't know all of
There's
them.
a lot going on, man.
Hennessy and Ducey, I don't go and me know.
Yeah, Ari has a party at the studio. Matter of fact, she doing a collab with my boy Bleak at studio. They doing a World Cup party there.
Hey, motherfuckers don't even watch World Cup.
Who?
None of these only the white Americans watch World Cup and the
There's
foreigners.
some people that do, but it's gonna be foreign. That's what they trying to do. They're trying to get some foreigners in
Yeah,
there,
oh
man.
well. That's probably what's gonna happen because niggas don't watch World Cup. They rather fight.
Yo, it's so funny though too because I'll be seeing all of the TikToks and everything from that shit where they be talking about how America really don't be caring about the World Cup like they thought niggas would. Like,
Listen, like I told y'all
you gotta think
before.
America's favorite pastime, and not everybody, but like what they have labeled as America's favorite pastime is baseball.
Baseball. Cause here's the thing with me now. Like me they call it from before. Remember in the first announcement me say, first thing first, me don't feel like World Cup I go successful in an American style because they don't have this same love for it. So it's gonna be the foreigners when they fly in.
Oh yeah.
But based on what Donald Trump was doing with the country, I already know it left a bad taste in every other country.
It did. Most people
which that was one of the major complaints.
The amount of people that would have came over here for the World Cup.
No, but the thing, they were going to, but because of that, nigga, mad people cancel their flights and work up, sell their tickets because they ain't want to fuck with America.
The amount of people that would have been here is definitely different from the amount of people that's here right now.
Facts. And the thing is, they can't even accommodate all the people that should have came if they did. They couldn't. They wouldn't be able to. It would have been too much traffic jam and everything everywhere, bro. It's just too much going on. But like me, I said, with the World Cup, as you can see, but you know what's funny? I was about to start talking shit about the Knicks fans and shit.
Don't do that to yourself, man.
I don't give a fuck. I don't play basketball. I don't give a fuck. Them niggas ain't. I don't give a fuck about them. They need to act better.
Hey yo, so alright.
What do you mean don't do that? You support that shit?
Listen, first off, I don't support all ignorance. I do support some forms of ignorance. I want to put that out there, yo. I mean, if you don't know me.
Ignorance to the point where you about to hurt somebody else?
Hold on. I think that
you about to say some shit that don't make no sense to me.
Everybody that when they knew the Knicks was close enough to win in, everybody knew what was to come.
So that's a regular thing for y'all.
It's New York. You ever been to New York City before?
Not knowing they destroy shit like that. That's my first time. Did they do that shit last year?
They never made it. This their first time winning the finals since before.
But wouldn't that be the reaction for losers?
Nah, man. It be people just wilding, man. It's people just wilding, man. Everybody. It's just some people that's stupid, man. You gotta think sports fans have all different types of fans. Everybody not black. Everybody not white. Sports fans is everybody. It could be the craziest motherfuckers.
But who are the one that's doing the fucked up shit that's been caught on camera?
I don't know them, and I ain't no fucking
minorities.
You don't know that. First off, okay, so they tell me this: the people that's doing the stupid shit, yo, like they set fire to a bus. What minorities you know how to start a fire on a car?
What minority? Your statement is crazy.
What minorities do you know?
All of them. Who don't walk with a lighter and shit that's gonna light some shit?
You could drop a lighter on a car.
What are you talking?
You could drop your lighter on a bus and it's gonna start a whole fire.
Nigga, you act like cocktail fires is not a thing. Nigga could be having a bottle of Henny or something and just light that shit and throw it. Like, it's not hard to set
First
a
off, a Henny bottle don't even break that easy to do that shit like that.
Well, you think you trying to save these niggas with their ignorance.
I'm not at all. I'm just saying.
It was only ignorant minorities that did that
man.
shit.
That's mad prejudice on your part, man.
I could give a fuck.
You can't say that, yo. Because it's fan.
Did we watch
fans is every race.
But who were the one that you seen the video do the fuck shit?
Son, I see every race out there. What you mean?
Minority races. Listen what I'm saying.
I'm not. But I hear you.
You probably didn't have your glasses on. That's what it is.
I hear you. I'm listening.
That's
I listen. I hear you though.
But defend your country though, by all means.
It ain't even that, man. Ignorance is any color.
So
bro.
you shouldn't have defended that for any reason at all.
You're saying minorities. I'm defending my minorities. I'm definitely defending
defend the fuckery. That's what I'm saying. That's what you're doing. The fuckery.
You said defend the country, son. That's what you said.
Regardless, the minorities are the majority of the country.
It's
so defend the fuckery.
different people out there, yo.
Mad different minorities. So mad different minorities, and they were the ignorant ones.
Racist, yo.
I don't give a fuck what it's called, but I'm
Uncle Tom.
I could be Ruckus. I call it like it's
You was Uncle Ruckus.
If it's ignorant, I'ma just call it ignorant. And you can't put icing on shit and tell me that.
I'm not putting icing on nothing.
You trying to? So
I'm saying that it's not just minorities.
Okay, and even if you want,
I said nothing. I'm not saying it's not
even if you wanted to say it was white people involved, it was not equal to the amount of niggas and Hispanics and other colors that I saw doing the fuckery. That's all I'm saying. The white people was more scared that they was about to get hit. You know how much of them going hide and start putting on Knicks jerseys just cause? That's what I'm saying. And just abusing people because they have on. That's what I'm really talking about. Fuck the fire. What these niggas don't know is that New York City is set up and Washington, D.C. is set up so crazy with cameras that they're going to get. A lot of these niggas have already got pressing charges and shit, like the people that got attacked. And the video up, they see who did it, and they just slowly tracking them. A lot of people, even the guy that got you see they poured water on him when he was in the middle of the crowd when he was in his Ferrari. And he was revving it, right?
Yeah.
But,
and then he got out. And then his boy
did y'all hear the story behind it?
And they got right back in. Nah.
So the story behind it is, so the guy was revving his car, right? And cool, everybody was hyping him up, but the guy that poured the water on him told him like, "Yo, do a burnout." And the dude is like, nah, we're not about to do a burnout here and cost more police and you know I'm shit.
Yeah.
So dude was like, no. So I guess the guy said his ego got hurt. So that's when he started pouring the water. But he said he hopped out. He said when he hopped out, he's like, I'm not about to stoop to this guy level. I'm here to do business.
Yeah, that's how it looked.
So
That's how it looked.
yeah, so when he said he got back in the car, all he had to do was get where he's going and make a couple phone calls, and they already know who he is, and they already about to get this nigga for Doug. And you know they're not about to hold
that story
and
makes
they're about to put the full force of whatever is coming towards him, because that's what they do to
Yeah,
us.
that shit went viral. Yeah.
So that's what I'm saying. With the ignorant behavior, why do we keep doing these things when we know we don't get no benefits from the system?
People be ignorant, bro. People be ignorant. That's what it be, bro. It be people be ignorant, yo. That's legit the only answer for that. People be ignorant, bro. It's nothing else to say about that. Like it's no explanation because we are not those types of people, so we can't relate to that type of thing because in our eyes we're like, yo, you just look stupid.
Yeah.
But it just is looking at it, yo. You like, man, this shit look dumb. But in their mind, they think they doing something.
It's the
how to get to the
it's
game.
just the what's the word? I thought y'all had better camaraderie. It's just so distasteful, man. I'm looking at this shit. I'm like, I got nauseous looking at the behavior. And these niggas winning, they not
This is the
losing.
first time you see some shit like that, yo. This is how it happens.
I never seen winners act like losers before.
It's every city they do it.
I've never seen winners act
Philly
like
won the Super Bowl.
I lied.
Crazy, yo.
Buffalo. But they don't fuck shit up. They only act wild in the parking lot.
Yeah, well, that's tailgating.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying.
Nah,
But
fucking Philly do the same shit.
Like, fuck
Nigga,
the city
Boston
up?
do that shit. They fuck up shit.
fuck the city up, hurt people.
Yeah, man. If you on the other team, people be ignorant. Man. That's why I say sports fans don't be giving a fuck, yo.
So
There's
this,
so many different types of
so this
sports
is me I go
fans.
say. So this is me I go say towards that then. It's intentionally done, man. Sports was created to make niggas ignorant.
Nah.
Because if you about to say that, it was just when people always go hard for their sports.
What I'm saying is that there are different types of fans.
No, definitely true.
It's different types of people.
Everywhere you go, there's people
So
that got
it's not, and you got to imagine that sports is something that attracts every different race and every kind of people.
Mm-hmm.
You could be any type of person. You could be a fucking psychopath locked away somewhere and still like sports.
Right.
It's any type of people. So you can't account for everybody. And especially when it's a city involved, it's every type of people coming out.
I feel like it should be a thing based on how your fans act as a team. You also get like some type of deduction on conduct of fans and shit. Some shit
I see what
should
you're
happen.
saying, but that's wild. But
And
you
I say that
you can't control people, yo.
I know, yeah, but watch this. I say that because after I see how they acted and they won, and then switch to the World Cup side of things, where when Japan played, I don't know if it's Uruguay or one of those teams, they lost. And them niggas, all the Japanese fans, niggas travel with garbage bags in their shit, like the big bags. So when the match was over, all of them cleaned the fucking studio. The stadium, I mean.
It's a whole different place than here, too, man.
Stop trying to make it seem different. It's just to show you how.
I'm not making it seem different.
But we
it's
know.
a different place.
No,
yo.
I'm saying
they're raised
wrong
completely
wrong
different.
statement. I mean, I'm not saying stop trying to make it different, but that's what I'm trying to say is we could do better.
I don't disagree with that
But
at all.
along with the government is keeping us ignorant, but we're choosing to stay ignorant also, and I'm including myself also with certain things. So that's all I'm saying. When you see better, you gotta do better.
I respect it.
So-
I don't disagree with you.
So with that being said, fuck the Knicks.
Don't do that, yo.
I live in upstate.
Don't do that,
don't
bro.
give a
That don't
fuck.
mean nothing. That's in New York, bro.
So
What you mean, bro?
This is the real New York. That's little New York. Who give a shit?
They did what?
Yeah, they only sound tough because there's a lot of ignorance down there. But we already know if they come up here, a lot of rednecks. We gonna shoot them down right on fucking highway before they even cross up the corner. They gonna be
That
done.
has nothing to do with the Knicks, man.
I don't care. They got me tight and pissed because they ignorant.
And it was a great. Honestly, this is some of the best playoff basketball that I've seen.
Normally, you know, I don't watch sports until it's the big thing like Super Bowl and shit like this. But once I saw those shits, I'm like, I can't be another supporter of the fuckery. I'm no longer watching basketball. I'm done.
You never watch basketball.
Point taken, because there's too many men running around at each other, so I'm good on that. That's just me. I don't like that. Football, even worse. Fuck that. A bunch of men in tights piling up on each other for a ball. Bitch, you got 2 balls already. Why you chasing that? Like, it's weird. Anyway, moving forward, people. So, couple topics that we gotta touch before we get the youngins involved. So we also got there's this new thing in the media, not in the media, that Jamaica will soon be starting to accept deportees from America.
You said that to me.
And not only deportees, like not Jamaicans they're deporting back to Jamaica, deportees from other countries, like deport people with bad criminal history that they don't want to put in jails up here. People who come here seeking asylum and shit, they want to just ship them there until they figure out if they're good. Like
they about to make Jamaica a prison island
type shit. And I
so
I was.
What are you doing? You keep doing that.
I don't know. I'm just I was talking to Bucky about it, and he was saying that that's just the part of the infrastructure that they're building. They need people to build the infrastructure for cheap labor. I'm like, yeah, cool, but the people there would do it regardless. Why not employ them? But then,
without sending other people over there.
Yeah, but that's the whole slave shit coming back anyway. But another thing that they reporting is that with that happening, with the new infrastructures and stuff coming in, they're gonna push where they're planning on building and stuff. They're gonna push all the people from the coastal side up into the country, and they're not gonna really have nothing for them, but only for they're rebuilding it for the foreigners, as in the rich foreigners, the white people. So that's another thing that they fighting against, and also the with the prisoners part that they're gonna deport, it's gonna be the argument is what if their crimes are very crazy, like if they got pedos in the bitch.
Oh yeah, no, I don't want them here.
And one statement that I had that really got me on edge, that I heard that really got me on edge was, what if somebody's coming here to seek asylum, but then you send them there, but they're seeking asylum from their country because they come into this crazy ass crime. And now when you let them free on our soil, now they just gonna be like,
they got free range.
Because you don't know what type of criminal history they coming with, which is the same thing they complain about from the people here.
They gotta have some type of watch over them or something, yo. Like it's gotta be something for that. If that's the case, if that was something that did happen, they gotta have like some type of police for them specifically.
Well, me don't know, but Jamaica police force, boy, they know that even that they just ignorant for the people. If they were supposed to actually go up against real other, I don't think Jamaica is combat ready for war. You know what I mean? The people in the community is, but not
the force.
The force is trained to attack the people, not to protect. You know what I mean? So if they were supposed to get into shit or protect our people, I feel like they wouldn't stand a chance. Which is why I feel like America is so easily taking over Jamaica. Like, they send the warships out there. They got the people down there scouting and shit. It's just a crazy shit going on. But we got like people in that chat. We're not so still fine. So people in that chat. I feel like we got like less than 5 years left to vacation in Jamaica for what it used to be before we have a crazy drastic change. So till now, please, we are all trying to build a community so we can go there and enjoy what's there going to be left of it. But producer, you pull up a clip of something where they never mentioned the same topic we're talking about, so y'all could get a better understanding of what's going on. People in the chat, do check the link in the bio, YouTube link in the bio, Livevybz, Vybz Friday, each and every Friday. We out here. Make sure to like and subscribe, alright? And appreciate the likes, we outside with it. You can't get that night chat? Oh, boy, everybody over here, walk on. Everybody over here dropping their name so we can go and shout out after the show. You know, really, because some of the names scribble up, and mix up with some things over here. So, what we go on? What we go on over here? We are waiting for the clip to put up. I said, million down over here. Oh, God. Send up the likes to the amount of people over here, man. Bumbo class. You can't do much. How did that? Yo! How will buy your clothes? You shop a rainbow? No.
You can't pay for the home, man. Can't go for
You can't pay for it because I know your mother buy your clothes. You work? Backward? That's how I go. Remember the link is in the bio. People do tune in. Alright, so you say we're back again? Alright, we have worked on a clip there and play it back in the later part. So, next topic, moving to the next side of things. Valiant.
What's going on with Valiant?
How about him now?
The new video him drop. Anybody on
I'm
a...
in a seat.
So there's this video of him doing he shot a music video in a church.
Okay.
And apparently, obviously, you know Jamaican culture. You know how they gonna perceive that.
What about that church?
Ass shaking. Yeah, no.
But my take on that is. Oh, you find the clip? All right, then run the clip, producer, and then we can segue back to Valiant. Oh, well, I didn't see no best, you know, so we keep the studio clean. Lysol, we want a sponsor. But you the batty boy.
No, somebody texted me and said wave at the camera.
Oh, but then why the fuck?
Nah, that was crazy.
No, that's what I'm talking about.
That was the left hand. That was a chill.
Nah.
Even worse. Nigga, that hand make you look extra gay. Alright, jump. Hold on, pull it back, producer. Pull it back, make so the chat can't hear. People in the chat.
Okay, smoke.
Oh, me black it. I'm not done. I can't put it back there, so then when I don't know.
My phone might have died, bro. It's like 2%.
I pray the Lord will pull it through this. Now I came across an interview of Andrew Wallace and Cliff Hughes. I think I pronounced it
So
right.
Cliff Hughes put him in one corner, you see?
This video I've been circulating sometime.
You make the people in the chat so we are watching.
Listen to what they're saying about the program, because people are saying the only people coming to Jamaica are Jamaicans. But he says otherwise, he's doing this as a favor to America. Let's watch this video together.
Favor?
Making my thoughts back in the split.
Listen to this.
Jamaican people to appreciate you have in me, in my government, our Prime Minister and ministers who stand up for you, who seek to get the best deals for you. And I listen
Lie.
right?
Look, the best deals for you.
The leader of the opposition to the TCN program, and I noticed he did not say he wouldn't have done it. I noticed he didn't say we should reject it. He said, well, it's just a pity that to come out in this way. We should have come to the public. But as anyone knows, and I've explained before, you can't come until you are finished with all the negotiations, everything is signed and done. So though we signed the MOU, it is not yet implemented. It's not complete because the operationalization is not complete. As soon as that is done, then we will call a press conference. We will have said, this is what he's doing.
Hold on the chat, hold on, push past on the video.
25 people. It would be hard to do so. I find it, the dressing around it is almost to the point of being ridiculous, honestly. And I see people, forget me, but I see people WhatsApping me and sending me messages, why would we do this to our country? I said, please sit and think carefully about what you're saying. We're not doing anything that 28 other countries, including within this region, have done. The United States has asked countries that it considers its friends to assist.
You gotta make it. You gotta write it, send me a line. Make it like this.
So what the push pass? Push pass or something?
No.
Would bomb. So,
I know it.
Well, United States asking people to help with the immigration challenge.
Still look good in the line.
Andrew, before you accept that, you should have make sure say we can come here without no challenge. Dirty man. Push play. Bumbo clad. You know kind of deal that day. Play Pundai. Bumbo, see the other take me down. See them take me off fire with 2 minutes about this place. Me soon circle back. YouTube link is in the bio on the jump ship. Yeah, it depends on 18 plus. I did try to do it, I think here depends on 18 plus.
in exchange for something? Is the relationship always transactional? And these are questions that we have to
Alright, push pause again.
yourself.
Every relationship always transactional. We not get no transaction, then give him the whole like hurricane money.
Oh, dude.
And you know, get out yet.
Nothing.
1% I think he give out.
Damn.
Couldn't you know see it done yet?
31 stories.
Press play.
31
How
stories.
old is this video? Where's this video from?
Recent last week, nigga. It's a sweet pepper nose man I tell be like per week.
That one's at 2%.
About relationships only in the prison of the 70s and 80s. No, it's a different time. Jamaica is an independent country. Jamaica is a country that is part of a multilateral system. We are using our foreign policy for our economic and social. Mr. Prime Minister, how many people say Jamaican still living on a tent?
Turn up every feed real quick. I'm crack the deal. Tell me the feedback.
And for now,
What are you talking about,
our government
Just plug out it.
cater to other
What the plug
people. It is going to be hard. But apparently they're getting paid.
Yeah. See? You might get paid. Yeah, of course you might get paid.
They've already been bought out, so they're getting paid to take in these people. And so they're doing this to cozy up with America.
And we not get no visa.
It is a multipolar world, so Jamaica has a part when it comes to being a part of the world. It's not like America is the sole superpower anymore. They're made a nation for that position, and they're made a nation that have got involved in vying for that position. And Jamaica has a part to play. That is exactly what he's saying. I agree with the multipolar agenda that he says. At the end of the day, friends and family, we have to just keep praying. We have to just try and encourage each other and love each other. We have to be Jamaicans first. Togetherness is what we are lacking in this nation.
God damn, me never see the dog mouth still.
Sometimes God can implement something because he said he didn't want to come open and tell us that this is going to happen because, you know, it wasn't finalized yet. But
Are you daddy?
waiting for it to be finalized. That eventually came and said it in the public. The things that this government implements here, it will not affect them. The things that the Jamaican government implement will not affect them. It will affect our children and our grandchildren.
Very true.
That is a fact. These people have already have their offshore accounts. These politicians have their offshore account. They're okay in life. They don't have to work on it a day in their life. All of their business and so on. The poor of the nation, when they come and implement certain things, the poor of the nation suffer. Always. So I tell a man, start the local farming, start the local planting, get involved in some form of small business, buy and sell, get involved.
True,
You
true.
can't sit down and think about government.
And work.
Government is for the elites. That's what
Facts.
they're planning, that's what their intent is.
Dirty body man. Alright, so few segments move forward. So as the dog look like he eat cane for a living, but as the dog I say, we have to pre-Jamaica for with future and thing. Like we all come here not to plan on live here. I can speak for majority of the Jamaicans that are in America. We come here to better ourselves, which is what they advertise America as, is a place to better yourselves and get ahead. Just get in the groove and figure out what you want to do and do it.
Yeah, that should be false advertising. Yeah.
Type, but we come here and just see it's just what they advertise, so we get in the system, and that's just to build their dreams. Bingo. Granted, you can't. There is opportunity, but you have to create your own. It's not none given. It's a rare 1% of opportunities that are given, and even so, you still have to work your way instead of community.
You gotta hustle, bro.
Yeah, with people building
hustle,
community network and all of that shit. So all these
it's a lot of odds against
no
you.
opportunity just drop out of thin air. You have to do some. You have to put in some kind of work. Somebody had to see you doing some type of work for them to say, "Yo, I'm gonna take a chance or a gamble with you."
Yeah, it's a
or
lot.
yeah, you doing it. Yeah.
It's a lot going against you.
Yeah. So on that, let me say the Jamaicans, and we have to figure out what we do. They trying to fuck up our community, most part. So if we're not gonna stay here,
See my dreads?
make sure we have a plan. If we not plan to go back home, make sure we have a land. And like me I said, Andrew, if you take no more deal from Donald Dump, make sure so we can go and please when we like. That me I say. We need to... Remember back in the day when we could have traveled to England without visa? From the, I saw if you go on. You cannot go and give a prisoner now free way up. What kind of style that dirty man? Alright, moving forward. Next line I always say, so Valiant. The video. They might try to blame the dog to shoot a video in our church and he must sing certain lyrics. I say the dog are doing job. He ain't doing nothing that dancer not supposed to do. Who fucked up is whoever rented him or allowed that church to be rented.
Yeah,
That's who fucked
that
up.
church should be looked into, yo.
So everybody accompanying him, everybody running at him and trying to say
that church obviously about that money.
Yeah, saying disrespecting Christianity and disrespecting the culture. Nah, this nigga building the culture because he's doing his job as a
wasn't
dancehall
a set
artist.
that they built or something.
No,
it was an actual.
That if it was a set, everybody. But even if it was a set they built, they would have said he was making a mockery. But still,
I get that.
Yeah, but it wouldn't have been as heavy. But because it was an actual church with a pulpit.
That's a little wild. That's a little wild.
But like I said, as a dancehall artist, he's doing his job. He's delivering.
He entertaining.
Exactly.
He's entertainment.
But whoever rent him that church, that's who they need to go talk to and see what am I do with the Christianity thing or if I just a money thing for him. Obviously it is because
it's definitely a money.
They got the church to rent.
It's definitely some
and
money.
then they're singing about all. But it's true, me not really follow up the church business. Them things don't faze me or me not look upon our judge a man no way because church at church. They tell us if you dress up and be nice in a church and same time pass around a back and fuck off the whole like boy, me ain't know that. So moving forward, next topic. So now the young hands in the building. I would say the dogs them graduate and thing enough big things are going. And if y'all remember a young legend from last month, he had a boxing match and he whooped ass. And he had another one and nigga ran. So
for real?
yeah, nigga didn't show up, but they read the stats. They know what it's about. So y'all say like I said, we had the early part of the show where we wanted people to be updated on the current shit that's going on. And one thing I forgot was massive earthquake in Venezuela and Japan. A lot of casualties, so keep them in y'all prayers, meditation, whatever y'all do or whoever y'all reach out to. That shit is crazy. And y'all already know what they saying moving forward. But yeah, keep the people in Venezuela and Japan in your prayer. But like I said, the youngins in the building, and since we're there, I celebrate their graduation and shit, so they said they got some stories for us and all that. So we about to let them rock the rest of the show, and then we kind of end in a little bit.
Stories?
Yeah, they said they got shit to talk.
Oh, say that.
So we there chill with the youngins, and so Marco Dino, what go on?
First of all, we go pan
Wait. First of all, why you look like you just like a nun? What the fuck is up with
it? Bro, that was mad creative.
Yeah, priest, thank you. You look like
that was hella creative, yo. That was a good one.
It's like an altar boy.
Yo. Nah, don't give him the altar boy, yo.
Yeah, you just like him fidgets.
So why you play? I'm gonna look boy,
yo.
Yeah, where I am put my cause.
You nigga trying to put this in advice because he don't sound like that. He don't sound like that. But what is it, Marco? What go on? Talk to him.
First
of all, make sure to tell the people them when the name of your final because y'all built a YouTube channel that's popping right now, and y'all need to let the people tune into that. So let them know first.
They know me by Legend, but on Instagram it's No Limit.
It's crazy this nigga.
YouTube.
They know me by Legend.
Right.
But this nigga
Bro, because
is loud as a bitch. Carry on, fuck with you.
Nah, I don't got YouTube.
Alright.
Oh, y'all do the same
we got
page?
Instagram.
Oh.
Instagram.
My Instagram is media_production M1K. YouTube, same thing. And TikTok, same thing.
So I need to be like you then. Everything the same name.
I mean, for business purposes,
yeah.
That makes sense. So how has that been going since y'all started the YouTube shit? Because I see y'all been doing a lot of recording.
It's been
views is going up.
Who's editing?
We both edit. We both edit. We both record. We both make up the ideas. So it's like team effort. But Monday we finna direct our own movie.
Oh shit! Okay.
Yes. So we've been planning
this Monday.
Yeah, starting this Monday. We've been planning this since 2 weeks? 2 weeks ago. I got the
That's
script.
mad quick, yo. I thought he was gonna say like 2 years.
No, that's what I'm about to say. No, but this is the crazy part. How long have I been planning mine?
What, like 2-3 years?
Oh my God, bro! I'm still working on my script, but carry on, cause I need
so it's not even like a full movie, just like a short film, cause we want to know where our ability at. So short film gonna be for like 5 minutes. We got 2 actors, 2 young actors. They like 16, 17 years old. So we're just trying to get them out there because they want to be actors when they grow up. So
you just started a portfolio for them, and it's good for y'all too.
Yeah, so this will be because this is gonna be our first short film.
Short film. Okay,
What's
so
the premise?
Yeah.
So
planning man over here, by the way. He knows all the planning.
So first, I had to get all the scripts ready.
Mm-hmm.
So I did overnight. I did 2 short film movies. The other one is for adults, but we can't find adults because they be busy and stuff like that. So I had.
What is it about? What's
Yeah,
it about?
yeah.
We don't need the process
wait.
right now.
Tell us the one you working on now. Then we backcheck and help you figure out the other one. Go ahead.
Okay. So the one I'm working on right now is like it's a couple, and they both walking downtown. And young couple. They're walking downtown, just admiring the city, and they just talking real deep. They're just giving each other like their emotions and how they feel to each other. And then at the end of the movie, because I can't say too much, but at the end, she leaned on his shoulder and then she disappears. So basically, she's dead, and just him.
He was just reminiscing type shit.
Yes.
Okay.
So it's going to be deep.
It's gonna be some emotional shit.
Yes.
I'm already locked in. I'm already locked in.
That's what we've been working on for 2 weeks.
All right, that's what's up.
Yeah, man.
That's what's up.
I'm excited and jealous at the same time because I've been trying my hardest. But every time I come up with my script, bro, I feel I be like, damn, I missed something.
Yeah.
And I gotta read. So how did you? What's your process of how would you come up with your scripts?
Watching mad YouTube videos. I've been watching at least 30 to 20 videos a night, trying to copy but not copy. Just listening and getting information from the videos so I could put it inside my scripts and how they be like emotion, then it's lighting, then it's camera angles and stuff like that. So that's what I've been doing. He just been recording, being him. So but he gonna be our filmer. I'm gonna have 2 filmers. There's gonna be him, my other buddy, and then I'm gonna be directing it.
Boy.
But yeah.
So on the board, do some one.
What me just say?
Load him up. Load him up.
Him not feel with culture, so that's why we have to.
Business, load him up.
All right, so so the script. So what's the name of this short film or project?
It's just gonna be called The Walk.
The Walk.
Yeah.
I like that.
I like that. All right. So.
But the next film, that's I'm excited for that one because that one is funny comedy and it's for I wanted to work with older.
So how the fuck I ain't getting no where's my script? What the fuck?
I told him you could be the cash register because the cash register got a it's it's called the world's worst robbers.
No.
So there's gonna be 2 little dumb robbers. They think they
So the hell's gonna be the YN?
No. They're not YN. They adults.
Okay.
Yeah.
You got the first one.
And then we got 2 customers, and then we got a cashier. And then I wanted you to be the cashier. And then I already had 2 funny
Clock, that right.
Who this? String bean. Give me some more.
Maybe cashier now. Carry on the verse on my part.
And I had 2 funny comedians that's here in Rochester that I wanted to work with, and they said yeah.
Oh, who?
I forgot the name. I can't say no names. Yeah.
Oh,
tell you later though.
All right, bet, bro. Let me know. Yeah, I'm good for it. I've been trying to show people my acting skills, nigga, because y'all know I'm multi-talented on the camera.
He's something. I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
He's something.
Yeah, but I'm excited for that, bro. I'm really.
I'm super excited.
I want to see. Yeah,
I am too. You know how you feel like.
To know how this go, man.
You having a watch party?
A watch party?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know where?
No, not yet. I gotta get everything.
All right.
together.
Well, let's figure that out. But that we can make that a thing. But yeah, I'm excited. So, people, look out for it. We don't know when it drop it, but as soon as we figure it out, The Walk.
The Walk.
By, what the production team name again? What do you call it? MT what?
As a media production.
SM.
Yo, wait, MT.
What is it?
DTB, dumbass.
DTB production. Yeah. And then it's MMU production. And then
what the
it's,
bumper clat? Hold on.
Mad letters. DTB.
DTB. What does that mean?
Don't trust.
Yeah, you know, we got it. That's number one.
Okay.
You know,
yeah, I mean,
girls they gonna get you in the long run. So
true type shit.
Stay focused.
Type shit.
Stay focused.
Not trying to be disrespectful.
No, I real.
No, man, stay focused. That's all it is, man. That's all I mean. Stay focused.
That's our new one. Then the old one was MMU production, and that's the one that
started.
That's on them. Yeah,
so,
started.
And what the MMU mean?
Mic Me Up Media Production.
I like that one.
I like that actually, yo.
I feel like y'all should stick to that one.
Yeah.
That other one.
I like that one.
That other one.
Let that be y'all one for y'all each other.
Yeah, like I feel like that other one should be for like content that's relating to that.
Yeah.
Because if
do that for your comedy content.
Yeah, and then you could build from that why you shouldn't do those things.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So the first one, the mic'd up one, that's a more cleaner professional name to branch off with everything under that. But that one right there, you could use it to build under that.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's it tough, man. That's what I'm saying. That these GYNs in Rochester, man, these are future right here.
Yeah, we do everything.
So, are you in any of what you're producing already?
Nah.
You plan on? Not yet.
Not yet. I wanna I do got a film though that I wanna do. That's later on, but I think that one would be tough that I will be on. And
you probably about to do your own documentary.
Mm-hmm.
You thought about that?
I did a documentary on a football team before.
Oh.
And then I was going to do one for my mom.
Fire.
That'd be dope.
Fire.
That'd be fire.
Then I did one for this Nigeria. Remember the girl that was supposed to come on?
The Jamaican girl I boxed.
The Jamaican girl.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I did one for her too. For her going to nationals for the boxing Olympics. So, yeah.
Yo, y'all been busy. Y'all been active. I like that, man. So, like Mr. People, these are GYNs. They out here, actually. They know how to have fun and they know how to put in work to match the fun they doing. So, we got to take another drink for them, man. Doing all this positive shit, not fucking off too much. You got to fuck off a little bit, but... Yeah, shout out to the GYNs, good YNs. So, well, are we storing this one off to tell we know?
Alright,
come on here, I'll do for
it's a 2-man. That ended up
mind you, this mad
almost
long
ended
ago.
up bad. Yeah.
You want me to start?
Yeah.
Okay, so. So look. So, day prior, we was at the little function that we was at with you.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the day before. And, like, these girls was like, they wanted to hang out. So, we was like, okay. I mean, you know, it won't hurt nobody.
Right.
So, we was going to hang out at his crib.
Mm-hmm.
So, like, okay, bet. So, the next day come, they was like, what time y'all want us to come? We said at, 2?
Yeah.
They came at, like,
4:30.
4:30.
That sounds
like,
about right.
Bro, we was sleeping on the couch. We like, bro, when is it going to pull up?
Y'all was ready at 2, 159. 159, y'all was
We
ready.
had snacks, everything ready. Like
Word.
drinks.
When they got there, the snacks were gone. I ate the snacks. I'm not even going to
Yeah!
I had a whole bag myself.
What I mean? At them time, I see them thing when that be a restaurant and food that cold.
Yeah. So, they wind up getting there. It's like, 10 minutes in?
Yeah.
We all, just watching a movie, just chilling. And then the girl get a text.
Boom, her dad
No, get a text or a call.
Nah, her dad called.
Called her. So now they run into the bathroom because they don't supposed to be there. They're supposed to be at their friend's house. So now they on the phone. She like, I don't know what they were saying, but I'm guessing she was like, I'm at what's the name house. We just, chilling and stuff like that. So then, whatever. They hung up. They came back in and we started chilling again. Like 5 minutes to go by. And her dad called again. He was like, what he said? He said,
something about, I gotta know where y'all at.
yeah, I gotta know where y'all at because
Why
your
the
location
location
is still
not-
showing
yeah.
your mom's house. because he had an iPad and a phone.
Oh.
So she was at her mom's house, but the location, she was at her friend's house, but the location still at her mom's house.
Yeah, she thought she was slick.
So she was like, yeah. So she like, I don't know why my location's not working. So he was like, okay, I'm gonna just come to the house and make sure y'all there. And then, you know.
He knew his daughter.
Yes.
He knew his daughter.
Yes. So then.
They got the Uber mad.
They got the Uber mad quick. But mind you.
Even the Ubers sped off. Like, they said, yo, I might pay you some more money.
Why does all happen? Yes. Why does all happen? And they like, do y'all want us to come back? Do y'all want us to come back?
Wait, fuck. Hey, let me tell you.
Mind you.
From the carrier.
We not that special. We not that special for y'all to come back. We can see y'all another day. So, they gone, right?
Oh, it's still going?
No, yeah.
Damn.
They gone. They reached to the house. I'm laying down. I'm sitting on the other couch on my phone.
We chilling.
I see Marco get up like, yo, show me the phone. What did the text message say?
Bro, let me pull the text up, bro.
Nah,
Her dad was like, yo, my dad about to pull up with some with my mom and yes, and some with who and this and that.
Whole time
I'm like,
he had a tracker
Wait,
on
my
her
phone at 1%.
phone.
Hold on, let me
So the girl that I'm with, she was like, before they even came to the house, she was like, leave your phone and leave your iPad here, and then we could just go and we could just call on my phone.
But she thought she was moving smarter than
Yes. So he had he had her location the whole time to see if she gonna lie or not. So she texted Marco. She was like, my dad gonna come with my mom, and then mom and dad gonna come too. So now we're panicking. We're like, what? How do they know the location?
Right, how they know where we at?
And word, that's why you don't give females your location.
Yo.
So now we like,
Say,
oh
yeah,
my
we
God. So now
right,
we out.
We left the house.
We left back door or side door. Then we forgot his sister in the house. His sister in the house. So we had to go back, get his sister. Now we walking in like in the alleyway. Now we just walking. We just trying to, go by time.
Waste some time.
Yeah, bro. So crazy.
Well, that is nice out.
Yes. Glad it was nice.
Imagine it was winter,
but we paranoid because we got to cross the street on a busy road, so we thinking
we gonna ride past. I'm telling you, yeah. They don't know how they don't even know how you look, right?
I don't know that though. Maybe because the girls with the shirt.
You don't know what it is right now.
Nah, so we just walking back and forth. Then like an hour go by, we like, okay, bet, let's go back over there.
Right.
So we sent his sister to the front to see if anybody was there.
Yeah, my dumb ass, I was panicking. I had my camera on my phone. I could have looked through the front.
He got the camera on his phone the whole time.
Bro, I was panicking the whole time.
Man, I could have stayed in the house and never answered the door.
And then looked at the camera.
Yo, it's so funny though, son. I done been there panic like that before, son. I get it. I'd have been in the panic like that before. You ain't even thinking straight till after the fact. You know, damn, we could have just sat here, bro.
Yeah.
We didn't even have to leave the house, yo. But you like, fuck it, yo, nah, yo, we out. You niggas thinking some secret agent type shit now.
Y'all moving like y'all actually did the crime.
Right. I'm like, you didn't do nothing. They came to his crib.
Y'all didn't even do nothing. Even for dad and her mom coming there, what they gonna say?
Like, they made it seem like it was cool. Fuck y'all want from us.
They pulled up. I ain't know nothing.
Females be lying.
Yeah, but that's so. I tell y'all this though. Just to avoid that.
He blocked the girl.
Type shit. And just now y'all at an age now because y'all graduated. So just make sure the females y'all waste y'all time when it can have the time.
Yeah.
And can move. You know? Type shit.
You caught with nobody parents.
No, sir.
We jump into YouTube videos?
No, look, this one. Okay.
I story them about through this.
When you got like, I don't know if they watching.
I need some of that.
They don't watch. They watch.
I'm gonna say it anyway.
They might go learn. This is how they learn.
No, when you got like a lot of girls that you talk to, it's hard to like post YouTube videos when you're making YouTube videos with different girls, cause it's like.
Jealousy,
yes,
for no reason.
Yes, bro.
For no reason.
No, bro, but but everybody know that at this time it's all content. It's not nothing.
It's hard
These girls nowadays days is different, bro.
Yeah, that's you gotta build your portfolio. You gotta start somewhere.
So you talk about teenage girls, man.
Yeah, but they don't understand. They not gonna understand.
Early 20s and teenage girls, son.
Let me tell you something. You see right now,
it's hard to explain that shit to them, yo.
Majority of the girls that you worried about now ain't gonna be some people that you even remember.
Right, no.
If you have 10 right now, probably 2 that's gonna make it. That you're not even gonna, when I say make it, that you're gonna probably see or hear of, and that's probably on social media.
Son, DTB Productions, yo.
Type shit. Mm-hmm. There you go. So you trust me, bro. Just work. Post your shit. What the fuck they gonna do? You ain't doing nothing illegal or shit that's going.
Yeah.
You didn't get your education, son. Let's hear the story, yo.
Okay.
I want to hear the story.
you want me in compromise, but carry on.
I don't know if we can say that. I don't know if we can say it.
Nah, see.
Oh,
no, because it's bad.
Wait, producer. Give me a 1 minute, we'll be right back. The quick and fast. I mute the mic then.
I want to hear this story.
Make me lie up real quick.
Yeah, man. Rochester link up. Livevybz in the place. Gyalis on the mic. Yo. From here to upstairs. The signal strong, log on pon the stream. Everybody turning long, big laugh, big chat. Every little song in my ear up the yard of them foreigner. No hometown, Gyalis have the spice, yeah. Him full of charm, talk the thing straight, but him keep it warm. From dancehall drama to street corner psalm. When the show start, it's like cool breeze calm. Gyalis pon the live. Turn it up loud, make the whole block rise. Rochester to jam down with the on one side. Press play, sit tight, take the culture right. Live vibe, really hard talk, you can sit in our eyes. From 585, go straight to seaside. At the podcast where the whole world lies. Weekend come, everybody know the code. Screenshot the link, share it down the road. Big up every crew. In a chill mode, chat sweet like mango, vibes overload. He marks wagwan and the colors rolling. Story them spicy, pure belly busting, but him still show love, not tear down king. Gyalis keep it clean while the rhythm still swing. Gyalis pan the live vibe. Turn it up loud, make the whole block rise.
Very far back, people.
That she what?
Yeah. So
if you want to, she probably won't.
We have to talk to the liar them say hip hop. So moving forward.
That's a good excuse for a lawyer. We got a good lawyer, man.
Yeah, the liar them production say so moving forward. So athletes. What's up with the sports? What y'all got going on? I know last time you said you had a fight last week or a couple weeks ago?
I had a fight
and
last
he backed
week,
out.
And he backed out.
Yo, so that means
and the belt was so beautiful.
So when they don't, shouldn't you still get it?
Nah, because I still got to compete for it. And they had a 20-year-old for me, but I can't fight a 20-year-old. They wouldn't let me.
But you would?
Yes, my mom was like, we could fight a 20-year-old. They was like, it's illegal. I'm like, how?
It's illegal? How? Y'all probably the same way?
Because I think you can only be 2 years.
2 years apart?
Because I'm only 17, so.
All right.
Like 19.
So, that means he's selective. You selective in sports?
Obvious.
What sport? Golf?
No, soccer.
Or?
Well, football. Golf Jamaicans football.
So, all that are going?
Top goal scorer for every team. My first club, Rochester Rush, top goal scorer. And right now, Riverflow, top goal scorer.
Riverflow?
You about to go, so you graduated. What you about to do now?
I was about to go to college. I was supposed to be at the college today, but I might do it January instead. Start going January.
Okay.
Oh, you have to be at college today and graduate today?
Yeah, because I can go in that night. Like right now, the coach that come pick me up on camera. So.
I see. So big things are going. They know the dog, they say you're a top goal scorer and you say you missed 2 goals.
Yeah, I missed 2 goals, yes. Well, I miss. I one goal miss. And the last one. The other one, them.
No, and the next one, I keep the ball straight and I keep on. I don't
Wait.
want to hear no.
No.
Straight and I keep on.
No.
I always say put it for a post.
No.
Straight and I keep on.
Me remember that.
Don't remember call Thunder, bro.
Remember
Please.
that. No.
Please.
Look, I tap bins the ball going and the goalkeeper. Me have the video.
No,
I have the video. Get my phone. I want to.
No, you know, I'm gonna tell you.
This is a video.
My phone. I want.
Look.
Go.
Look, me not talk about the one about tap bins. Not that tap bins. Me not talk about the one.
No.
When they kick the ball, roll upon the ground straight and I keep on. Me no want hear.
Oh, me know I want to know. Watch out. I was going down like left, and I dribbled past 3 niggas, right? And then I cut in, but then I was at this angle, and the goal was at this angle. So I tried to curl it with my left foot. I'm right-footed, by the way, but I use 2 feet. But the ball, like, I didn't hit it like hard enough, so it just rolled into the goalkeeper's hands. So,
oh, so you sped?
No, easy no. I guys can't use their left foot.
You sped up.
So me, if you can, is it me?
You sped up and fucked up. That's how it goes sometimes. That's how it goes sometimes. You sped up and fucked up. So, how much goal you score from season start?
All right, so we have what, 4 games? Yeah, 4 goals in 4 games.
So you're top goal scorer?
Yeah.
With 4 goals?
Yeah.
Man, me thinking that's like 15 or
15 in a 4 game.
Alright, so what's your total goals since you started playing since high school from now?
No.
So you're not, bro, you check.
I'm gonna check them things.
You have to have your stats, nigga. What do you mean?
I know about the stats. I got the videos and clips of all my goals, but I don't know how much. Yeah.
Got other people do that.
He got that many.
Right.
Yeah, I got that many.
All right.
I got a whole clip of me.
So Jay, remember I challenged them on the Sunday. I was going for them thing.
Good. We still do it, man. We still want to do it.
Take too long now.
We're not.
Jay, if you want to see me go, then make you search up on you. Google you.
Google what?
Search up me on Google. You see me go on Google.
Oh, blood clot. You say register.
Yeah, me register.
Oh, blood clot.
Shit, check mark.
Yeah. But yeah, when you cut.
Chat, let me see your phone. Which one?
When you dipping out.
When I'm dipping out?
Yeah.
Moving? It's supposed to have been,
What your password?
What is it supposed to have been? It's supposed to have been last week. But it's a delay. It's a delay. So I don't know when I'm moving.
Alright, so yo, I go on. Since him, yo, me not like how you do with a microphone, then a dirty body.
Yeah,
I'm telling you, bro. He been on some. Junk today.
Yo, what you do?
That look right.
Come on, man. Just set it on the table or something. Yo.
Well, yeah, so me not like the motion anyway. Yeah, make my mind corrupt. So yeah, bro. So as he brought up this thing, I still want to do the spar thing. So I feel like
that's what I was just.
One of these days, yeah.
Let's do it Friday.
I can bring my gloves.
Yeah, bring some gloves on, so Edgar. We can do it in the backyard, in my mom's backyard. You got nice. I said that the last time.
I knock you out.
Yeah, I'm with it.
See him, Aga.
Then the spar, we are spar.
Knock him down, knock you out, go spar. Water, we have to go through up on him.
That's how it go. You have to learn to get back up. But yeah, we could definitely go and do that and catch it and put it on, what name, MTB? MTB.
Oh, okay. MTB.
Or DTB.
DTB.
MTV. I said money. I said because I was thinking MOB. I thought it was that. So yeah.
Gotta be on MTV, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, here we go.
Now you
Good job.
Bombo clap. Alright, that one the bad. That one the bad.
See, nah.
Yeah,
pull that shit up, please.
Yeah, I like that one too.
Oh, that's it. Oh, alright.
Alright, young shooter. They must see it too.
Fast.
But I know I see it.
Oh, you want them down. I hear that.
First one.
Catch my kids them next year.
Yeah, now we sport it. Oh, cheerleading?
No.
Yeah.
That's what you look like you was just doing, nigga.
So that just popped up, yo.
It was cold.
Yeah. This one's in practice, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4 guys. Yeah, left foot. I told you this is the angle I was on. I couldn't.
They forgot Jamaica and play some.
What? Me didn't I thought that.
Yeah, Jamaica.
Maybe not that from Jamaica. Me have clips from Jamaica.
Damn. Pressure.
Them boy will deal with your body. Any day, me I tell you. Alright. These are all assists, but players, my teammates, they ain't finished. It's a good cross. And I don't know. A scout was watching me this game, by the way. The college I'm going to, the scout was on the right there. That's me on the right. Good cross. This guy took a bad touch, he didn't finish. One v one, passed him. Crossed again. And this guy did, I don't know.
People in the chat, drop some likes and shout out the young gunner them. They must stay active.
This one, I crossed the ball over, but those two guys just watched the ball walk.
And if you run up and down the whole field by yourself, mother, watch you too.
And this one was solo goal.
Yo, that was... Nigga, this is
right.
Run behind. Listen to the nigga focus on the ball. He looking where you at.
Bitch, you can't do that. And then I think this guy took my ball and did I don't know what with it.
Yo, he buns.
It was like 4 other long ass videos, but yeah.
Yeah, man, we are active up with the young gunner them this summer, cause we're not going old and cool up, you know, cause right now, my need them a go body, you know, cause me no dance again, so me no as in shape, so I go start kick some ball.
Yeah, bro, we need for like Sunday, Saturday.
Nah, not on Sunday, preferably Saturday, cause Sunday I'm a recover day.
I said thing Sunday, I said
yeah, like game Sunday, so not that far.
Like tomorrow?
Sunday.
Which part?
40 minutes a week.
Oh, to blood clot. I can't walk so far.
Wow. Some of them go away, see them at Boston, you know, and Lake George, you know, Boston, 6 hours away.
Oh.
Yeah. Philadelphia, yeah.
I love Boston, yo. You go to Philly, you know, if you try to go to Philly, yo, you always go to Philly.
Oh, that's where, yeah, but yeah, I've been trying to go, but I never got an opportunity.
No, that's cool, man. We get out there.
You know, me always mix up Philly with Jersey.
Yeah, I ain't going. I mean, it's right there. Jersey is right there.
Yeah.
Jersey's like an hour away from Philly.
Weird. Oh, weird.
Philly is in Pennsylvania.
No, nigga, you messed up.
Yes.
Of Pennsylvania.
Yes. Philadelphia was the first city in America.
Huh? Weird.
You think you look good?
Come again?
Philadelphia was America's first city.
Bet. Alright, cool. So, alright, bet. So, I'm not confused now. Alright, thanks for that. So, people, again, as you can see, we're out there first. You have the clips of the young legend ready?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, cool. So we have another clip. You know, the young guys that are here going. But then the people in that chat, how we in that chat? How much are we over here in that chat? Talk, people in that chat, what go on? How y'all liking the show today? Because we about to wrap it up soon as we have the young boy show off in clips. Rush them, why pray? Yeah, man, the young gunner them over here want to deal with the place, wicked dog. Ain't it? Bread?
Yeah, man. That me, I say.
So let's see when I come ask for bread. Yeah, people in the chat, oh, over here, what? Mr. Bucky over here. I was over here. Let me see over here. Let me go and deal with it till the clips them drop. What? Cupcake? Where you see cupcake? What?
Come, cupcake me here now. Cupcake me here now. And then now, see what I mean?
You heard that shit?
Come cupcake. Come cupcake.
Yo! So nobody with that. Oh my God.
He gotta be stopped, bro.
can't make this shit up.
Yeah, I got a question. What do you find like? Cause I've been looking on everywhere. What do you find like? You know them movie mics that you hold up?
Oh, they got them drop mics?
Cause I need it by Monday though.
By Monday? Oh, you can't try Guitar Center. You tried Guitar Center already? You can try Guitar Center. They're supposed to have a shit ton of mics. But on Sound Source, them two places have mics. But that's what I want for in here too, so we could ditch most of these.
Yeah.
And just have one of the drop mics that pick up everything. Or you need a drop mic for that, but or they have something called a conference room mic.
Yeah.
Just put it on the table and Or even mix
Look,
that.
I got the script, everything.
That's the clips?
No, these the scripts for the movie. Yes.
You work hella fast, bro. Cause I'm just so.
Oh no, I'm just impatient when I come to things. I gotta get things done.
I wish I should have got. I wish I had that trait. Cause me,
you're a perfectionist.
It's not even that I'm a perfectionist, but I always feel like something's missing.
Yeah, perfectionist, bro.
And then it's not even that I want, like, looking for perfect pictures or the perfect actors. It's just the details that I want, how I'm telling the story. Once I write it down, reread it, and I'm like, damn, this is a significant moment which propelled this moment, and I missed it.
Yeah.
So now I gotta figure out how to get that in there too. So that's just what I'm dealing with right now. It's just I'm still on my intro scene, because that's what I want to do. Weirdo. So that's what I want to do. Just each make it a series.
Oh, make a series.
Yeah, and then spin it off into like.
Do you know when you want to like do it?
No.
I actually have the first script, and I have like I said, I have the first scene, and I have the people what I want, but I just don't have the people to shoot it, and then the time to actually break the script down from my perspective, and then have it put it into like her line, my line, their line type of shit.
All right.
Good.
Yes, man, I can't eat out the food.
Are you in that blue, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Tell y'all doing.
People in the chat, check in. Drop on the name, let me know so not there.
Oh shit, I didn't know I was playing.
Man, he might beat up the boy.
I gotta tell you, after the video, I'm gonna let y'all know what happened before the fight.
Oh shit. You thought that shit.
Yeah. Nah, you fast.
Nigga talk so chill.
I caught you there.
Yeah.
Watch out. I was playing that dog square. Scott. Ooh.
No, I'm mad.
Ooh. You not even give this nigga a chance to breathe.
How long is the round, Legend? Like 2 minutes?
Yeah.
Damn, it look like it's crazy. That's how I know I'm out of shape, because I'm over here like 2 minutes and you going like that?
Bro,
this nigga,
conditioning.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. This nigga punching with all his training shit, so.
It's conditioning for real.
Yeah, so that's different.
What's up, man? We gonna do a 5K this summer, yo?
I don't get that much money. I can't bet that.
So now we gonna run a 5K, man. We can walk it, we can jog it, son.
What's that mean? Like, how far is that?
5 kilometers. That's what it's
Give me miles.
Ooh.
You gotta give me miles. I can't deal with the kilometers.
$3 miles. 3.1 miles.
I feel like I walked further before.
Yeah, you can do it. That's what I'm saying, man. I'm about to do a high rocks competition, son. So I gotta be ready, son. I gotta get my cardio.
A high what?
A high rocks.
I don't know what the fuck that is.
It's a fitness competition.
You look like a beaver.
Oh.
They look like a string lead. Pencil.
Damn. You pay legend for beat up your blood clot.
That's the GC for the movie too.
I thought you. I would have swim, you see.
Jeez, I know that left on the ringing ears.
Marco, where they eat?
Ooh,
Nope.
Got you with that body shot.
Get in there. Mm-hmm. He sat his ass down for a second. He tired. Oh, is it in the wrong?
Yeah, I think it's one more.
Props to the cameraman though.
Yeah, W cameraman right here.
Why you never forget?
It's the last round.
Oh, yo.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Don't like it's the last round.
Yeah.
This nigga, yeah.
He trying to tear your body up.
He thought he was just like his dad. No, I'm just playing at this point. Keep a holder.
Like that brother make me uncomfortable.
You should play with this nigga.
I'm just playing with him, bro. Yeah. I wish they had a mic on me.
I know you just talking shit. You can tell.
Step in and slide.
Look at him.
We.
Tag and go. Nice answer.
That left hook would have ate it.
Usage. Yo, the bathroom, you say if you want shit, you know?
Marco.
Yeah, I can't before.
Man said the bathroom that they say if you want to do it, bro.
Come look like. But I come pop up in there.
Hello, thief.
Stop chatting one business.
Shit, I kill him over here.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you do thump off him helmet?
Nah, I think he took it off.
Yo. Did my fight without you know?
That's the last.
That was the last round.
Yeah, that was the last round.
All right, let me let y'all know what happened, bro. Cause it was bad, bro.
Talk, nigga.
Oh, my bad. So, we supposed to be fighting at 152.
Mm-hmm.
That was the agreement, 152. So I get there, I get weighed in, and they're like, you gotta gain at least 3 pounds. I'm like, why I gotta gain 3 pounds? I'm 152 on the dot. They said he came in as 160, 161. So I'm like, why am I gaining weight?
Yeah, don't
he should be losing weight.
Yeah, he should.
But you know, his
weight.
dad is Charles Murray, so they trying to glaze him and everything. I'm like, bro. So I'm in the backstage. I'm eating mad food, bro. Like eating, drinking water. He was there drinking mad water, eating. Boy, my stomach was hurting like bad. I'm like in the back. I'm like, nah. So I had to go use the bathroom. No, first I had to go weigh in. They said I was good. No, I went to go weigh in the second time. They said I still got to gain more weight. So I had to come back, eat more, then come right back in there. Then they said I was good. Then I went inside the bathroom, used the bathroom, stomach was hurting bad, bro.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, So then we fought. And now the fight that I was supposed to fight last week, they wanted a rematch. They wanted a rematch, but my mom was like, nah. I wanted to do the rematch. I mean, it's not for me. But she was like, nah, because it's going to start stuff. Because, you know, his dad the one that coached my mom when she was coming up.
Yeah,
so
I remember she was telling us that.
Yeah, so it's going to be a whole problem. And they family don't take it well. So if I would have won, they would have came. Yeah. If I would have won another one, they would have came on the stage. And then, you know, it would have been a whole brawl. And nobody got time for that.
Word,
So
and it got to that.
Yes.
They not mature enough to handle that. We talk about ignorant people. What we just talk about ignorant people, yo.
So we didn't even, because I was supposed to fight him. My mom was like, if they would have never did all that, because, you know, I was supposed to be in the red corner. Blue corner is for losers. Mm-hmm. The red corner is for, you know, who's experienced and know how to fight. Mm-hmm. I was supposed to be in the red corner, but they put me in the blue corner because I'm guessing, because his dad. So they kept, like, you know, because his dad was there, they, you know, whatever, bro. So I was like, there's no problem with me or him. They kicked all the blue corners out the locker room. Because it was red corner and blue corner. They had all the fighters that's on red over there and on the blue. And they kicked all the blue fighters out of the locker room. We like, where are we supposed to be? So now we're in the back with all our stuff.
That's
right
crazy.
There. Yes, bro. I'm like, bro.
No, they did y'all dirty.
In this your city.
Yes, bro. They did bad.
Why? Well,
it's Charles Murray City too, though. It's just the name.
Yeah, no. Yeah, look at it. You still won, so.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Next fight is in Ohio.
A word?
Who you fighting?
I don't know.
Oh,
they got somebody. But I'm going pro next year, so.
Yeah, I remember y'all saying that.
Yeah. I'm going straight
Full
pro.
media team, blow up. You know what's crazy? Nigga gonna be like, I don't want to say the next, but he gonna be like a bigger than Mayweather.
Hopefully.
That's the goal.
Hopefully, that is the goal.
I'm about to be out, bro.
Mark up on the camera.
Jay with my shirt there.
Yeah, one more shirt.
Alright, we'll move. We'll sign up. We'll sign up real quick before I start asking for shirt and come. Thinking I want a different conversation. But as people, this even episode is very interesting, a very chill one. Now we're just there going with our vibes with the young and like we said, Marco Dean in the building just graduated and all these things. So we there go and chill with him and you know, one with our vibes on a Friday. Nothing serious now going, but if we're not active tonight in the city, Jolie are going with our vibes tonight and them are going with things. So this your boy Gyalis Jay.
Got the sour.
Legend.
Marco.
And yeah, shocking I can't now.
Yeah.
Like some big skater. And this is Vibes Friday, each and every Friday. Catch us next week. We have a different vibes. We don't know what going on, but the vibes are go sweet. So if you like the vibes, subscribe again. This is your boy Gyalis Jay and we are tuning out again.
Rochester link up. Livevybz in the place. Gyalis on the mic. Yo.
From here to upstairs, the signal strong. Log on pon the stream, everybody turn it long. Big laugh, big chat. Every little song in my ear, love the yard of them foreign and hometown. Gyalis of the spice, yeah. Him full of charm, talk the thing straight, but him keep you warm. From dancehall drama to street kind of song. When the show starts, it's like cool breeze calm. Gyalis pon the live vibe, turn it up loud, make the whole block rise. Rochester to jam down with them on one side. Press play, sit tight, take the culture on the live vibe. Really hard talk, you can sit in our eyes. From 585, go straight to seaside. At the podcast where the whole world lies. We can come, everybody know the code. Screenshot the link, share it on the road. Big up every crew. In a chill mode, chat sweet like mango, vibes overload. He marks walk one and they call us rolling. Story them spicy, pure belly busting, but him still show love, not tear down king. Gyalis keep it clean while the rhythm still swing. Gyalis man the live vibe, turn it up loud, make the whole block rise. Rochester to jump down with the on one side. Press play, sit tight, take the culture rise. Live vibe, really hard talk, you can sit in our eyes. From 585, go straight to seaside. At the podcast where the whole world lies. Anywhere we there, the link still sure. Yard man accent, kick down every door. Big up the queens and the real hardcore. If you love the vibe, show it one time more. One more. Live vibe, turn it up loud, make the whole block rise. Rochester to jump down with them on one side. Press play, sit tight, take the culture rise. Live vibe, really hard talk, you can sit in our eyes. From 585, go straight to seaside. At the podcast where the whole world lies. Yeah man, live vibe steady, we know cool. Rochester, Jamaica, one rule. Anywhere you're there, just remember this. Host with the fire, them call him Gyalis. But
no, it's not gonna work, right? It's just a song.
No, but look at it have different. Look no.
You say me to just try each one.
No, no, no.